3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's me, Martha. Now we're gonna open the GYUDON.
Today we got what? Show me.
Can you close your eyes?
Okay.
Okay. Ta-da!
Wow! What is this? Huh? Can I see? This is, it says wild dish. Gyokai tonkotsu maze soba. It's a noodle. Seafood tonkotsu noodle. It's a microwave meal. We can just microwave this and then can eat from this package.
Wait, need a mic.
It's frozen now.
What day?
What does it say? Oh, can you read for me?
I cannot. I just cannot read with the GYUDON.
Think.
Oh, wait. Did you see?
Yes. Noodle.
Open.
Wait, how? It says I cannot say. Oh, it's 5 watt.
5 what?
4 minutes and 30. And if it's 600 watt, it's 4 minutes. Let's do. You no need to open. Just we microwave for 4 minutes. Then we open and eat from this package. Let's eat. Let's try.
Okay.
Minato, look. Put like this. Okay, put like this. Then close. Then medium high and 4 minutes.
1 minute is almost.
Not yet.
Almost, I say. Big!
What happened?
Yeah!
Wow, getting so big. Like this.
Yeah, so.
Wait, let's check.
Wait, also let me take away. Can you help me?
So it's hot. Okay, so now we are gonna cut
Yeah,
here. So we finish microwave.
So can you go take the boba?
No, because this one is a special noodle.
Okay.
We don't need bowl. We can eat from this. It's hot, be careful. We can eat from this package. It's like this. Wow. Now we need to stir with a chopstick. You bring your chopstick?
Not mine! So can you stir so much?
No, you can't.
Let us put, I don't know.
No, it's not so hot with the chopstick. Just stir. Maze soba. Maze means stir. Maze means stir in Japanese. Wow, look.
See?
Like this.
See?
No, Minato, just from here you can eat. You like? Does it taste like fish?
I don't know.
What? Sticky? Really? Is it salty? Okay. You like? It's a gyokai tonkotsu maze soba.
Right.
Let's try. really tastes like fish. Fish fried noodle
And it looks
tastes like.
and it's sticky. Looks nice.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Try again.
Quite sticky.
You don't like?
But I love.
It's really nice.
I just tried it.
The fish taste is quite strong.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, everyone, this Japanese noodle is so yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. And comment down below my video and subscribe my video. Bye.